Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to make sourdough starter at home from scratch. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It truly helps support the channel. Here I have 1 dessert spoon of salt and 1 dessert spoon of sugar. It supports better digestion, helps improve gut health, makes nutrients easier to absorb, keeps blood sugar more balanced, and gives bread a richer flavor with a longer shelf life. I added 3 tablespoons of white flour into a 1-liter glass jar. I add 4 tablespoons of warm water and mix it well. The water wasn't enough, so I'm adding 3 more tablespoons of water. You can adjust the amount of water based on the consistency. We mix it thoroughly and scrape the spoon clean. We close the lid of our starter, wrap it well, and place it in a warm corner of the house. Tomorrow, we'll feed our starter. See you tomorrow. 24 hours have passed. Now let's check our starter and feed it. Let's add 2 tablespoons of warm water. Let's add 2 tablespoons of flour as well. Let's mix our starter well and leave it to ferment for another 24 hours. Wrap the jar in a towel and set it aside. See you after 24 hours. This is the second day of our starter, and it has started to become active. You can feed it according to its consistency. If your starter is too runny, you don't need to add water. Feeding it with just flour will be enough. I will add 2 tablespoons of warm water and 3 tablespoons of flour, then mix it. We fed our starter on its second day, and now we'll wrap it tightly in a towel and set it aside. Look, on the third day, our starter has started to form bubbles. This is a good sign. Our starter is becoming active and getting stronger. I will add 3 tablespoons of flour. You can also add 2 or 3 tablespoons depending on the condition of your starter. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of warm water and mixing it well. On the third day, our starter has developed very nicely. On the fourth day, our starter was very hungry. Now I'm feeding it with 2 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of flour and mixing it well. Our starter is ready. Today is the 5th day, and today we will prepare our pre-starter. Our starter turned out really nice. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of warm water and mixing it well. I've prepared our pre-starter, and we will wrap the container and let it ferment for at least 10 to 12 hours. I will mix our pre-starter with 4 cups of flour and 2 large boiled potatoes grated. I also add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix everything with 2 cups of warm water. I'm adding the grated potatoes and also 1 teaspoon of sugar. I will add our starter and mix it. Then I will mix the dough to make the bread. Let's knead our dough well. We will have a very beautiful bread, healthy and natural. We've kneaded our dough and now we'll leave it to ferment. It usually rises in about 60 minutes. Now let's prepare our dough balls and shape our breads. We shaped our breads and placed them on the tray. After the final proof, look how beautifully they have cracked. Our starter turned out very nice and strong. Now we'll put them into the oven that I preheated to 200 degrees Celsius with top and bottom fan on. Our breads will bake in about 40 to 50 minutes. My breads are baked, and they turned out beautifully. The inside texture is also very nice. You can make your own starter and bread at home, too. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, you will support me a lot. I would also be very happy if you tell me in the comments where you are watching from. Hope to see you again. Stay healthy.